Here's the Kia Sorento. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we do, open up the hatch. That gives us access to the license plate lights. Exact same process for the left and right side. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver for this job. Let's go ahead and start taking those two screws off one by one and just take it out completely and set it aside. Repeat the process for the other one, and now in one of the holes put the screwdriver and then sort of pry the lens out, and off it comes. Set it aside. Now what we have to do is get the bulb out. There's two sides which are holding the bulb, the metal ends, they are flexible, so use a screwdriver on one side and then use your thumb on the other side to flex it out, and the bulb will just fall right out. The bulb number is 6418. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon yourself. And getting the new bulb in is slightly tricky. You just have to get in the first one, and then while you're holding on to the first one and it's pressing against the one metal part, slide the other one in. As long as the two metal ends are connected to the bulb and holding it in place, you're good. Let's just put the lens back on. Hand tighten the screws first and then tighten it down. Make sure you don't over tighten it because you will otherwise just crack the plastic lens, and you don't want that. And that's it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.